today I'm sharing a cabbage recipe, the cabbage omelette, which would go so well for breakfast. So it's almost like a pancake with loads of cabbage and some egg.
Here I'm taking about 3 cups of cabbage and I have cut it really fine. To this I'm adding 2 eggs and some salt, so about 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and this is some tiny prawns. These are a specific variety of prawns which are eaten with the shell on. I store turmeric and black pepper powder together, so I put half a teaspoon of that, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and some coriander leaves. I've also added 1 more egg because I thought that it needed some more binding. Want to make sure that your cabbage is wet once you've added the egg, and there is some little bit of liquid. I have a cast iron pan here to which I've added some olive oil, and I am dropping 1/4 of the mixture for each pancake. So I'm making 2 at a time. Oval fits better in this pan, so I've made an oval shape. I'm also covering this so that the cabbage cooks a little bit. You don't want it to get wilted completely. You want to actually try to hold it on the other side with a spoon because it may break. This is not a very firm pancake. So I flipped them over and let it get brown on the bottom, and now I'm getting it out. And let me put the last 2 pancakes on the pan, and then I'm going to go and show you the simple sauce that I like to eat this with. So my sauce is a simple sauce made of mayonnaise and sriracha. You want to use equal quantity, mix it up, and it is delicious with this pancake.
And thanks for watching. Bye.